Hi students, welcome to JOSAT. Today we are going to see Contemporary India and Education Unit 9. Unit 9 is all about midday meal scheme as a socialization process. Midday meal scheme. This is the concept of midday meal scheme. It is not new in India where it can be treated back to the pre-independence era. British administration initiated the midday meal scheme program for disadvantaged children in the Madras Municipal Corporation in 1925. Tamil Nadu has become the first state in India to introduce the noon meal program in primary school. In 1984, introduced by the Gujarat, later it was taken in the different states and finally taken up to as a national scheme. Government of India launched a national program of national support to the primary education that is commonly known as midday meal scheme that was on August 15, 1995 to provide meal to the children studying at the primary stage. In 2002, the Supreme Court directed the government to provide cooked midday meals in all government and government aided primary schools. It was revised on September 2004 and 2006 later. Objective of the midday meal scheme is that to improve the nutritional status of children in the class 1 to 8 in the government school. Encouraging poor children belonging to disadvantaged section is to attend school more regularly and help them concentrate on the classroom activity and to provide nutritional support to children of elementary stage in drought affected area during summer vacation. Let's see the history of midday meal scheme. Initiatives by the state government to the children began with their lunch of a midday meal program in the primary school in 1962 to 1963 school year. Tamil Nadu is the pioneer in introducing midday meal scheme in India. Thiru K. Kamraj, then the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, introduced it first in the Chennai and later extended it to all the districts of Tamil Nadu. In 1982, July 1st, the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, Thiru M.G. Ramachandran, upgraded the scheme of nutritious food scheme, keeping in the mind that 68 lakh children suffer malnutrition. Next is the benefit of midday meal scheme. Midday meal scheme has provided a strong incentive for the parents to send their children to the school for only the food. Previous students on primary education in rural India have suggested that midday meal enhance school participation, especially among the girls. Providing meals put an end to the phenomenon of the classroom hunger. Dropout rates have shown at decline so that admission increased. It has been noted that the experience of sharing a common meal helps class inequality and the caste prejudice. Students get enough energy, protein, iron, vitamin and other nutrition and their physical growth as well as the overall health get improved. Next is the implication of midday meal scheme on school education. Tamil Nadu has also covered high school students under the midday meal scheme. The center midday meal scheme is only for the primary and middle school students. With the contribution of the state government for midday meal scheme is much higher than the center is comparison to other state. Tamil Nadu has gone about implementing the scheme in a more organized way. The payment of the noon meal organizer MNO in the state is rupees 7,000. The cook and the helper gets rupees 5,000 each. Tamil Nadu is the only state which recruits NMOs to organize midday meal scheme. Midday meal scheme as the socialization process. In addition to the higher allocation of funds, the state has also worked on community participation in providing school midday meals. The state has constituted vigilance committee at panchayat level to supervise midday meal. These committees are very active in Tamil Nadu and the committees carry out to check every school thrice in a week. The committee members include parents of the students apart from the teachers and local representatives. Next is the impact of midday meal scheme in Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu could serve as a model for the rest of poor performing state. The state has not only provided kitchen infrastructure to more than 92% of the school but also had started upgrading and modernizing it by providing cooking gas facilities. Tamil Nadu has also covered high school students under midday meal scheme and also complaint box have been installed everywhere. The center midday meal scheme is only for primary and the middle school students. Under this program, almost 80% of students of the state get covered. Wherein the conclusion of this part is the experience so far clearly shows that the midday meals have much to the contribute to the well-being and future of Indian children. However, qualitative improvement are urgently required if the meals are to achieve their full potential. We have come to the end of the Unit 9 in Contemporary India. The notes of this unit is given in the description box below. Please make use of it and all the best for your exam, and please subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you friends.